Okay, hello. This video is just to give a quick demonstration of a proof of concept that I built for basically smart camera technology. In this specific case, it is for a pharmaceutical use case where the potential customer has a warehouse where they have people that pack according to certain orders, and they want to be able to catch errors, either items not having been packed or too many items going into a box. So my hands, show them here. It's the second camera. This view isn't live from the camera, it's going via the web server. So this is the view after the machine vision model has already had a chance to look at the image. And I've pre-trained a model on certain medicines. So if I put the medicine down, you'll see that it recognizes the broncho stop syrup. Okay, so I've also made it so that you can generate a packing list. Let's do, I have all of these, so I can show them as an example. Actually find another one. For one that's got Nurofen, because I can show another example. Okay, so broncho stop, my page, let me remove that. Okay, let's do those three. This is what needs to be packed. So we'll say broncho stop and Nurofen. Good. I've put them down, and then I've got a Meraki button here. As soon as I press the Meraki button, it says incorrect, missing items. I need my paid capsules. So let's say now in this case, I do my paid capsules, but I accidentally add a second Nurofen. Press the Meraki button. It says still incorrect, quantity adjustment, remove 1 Nurofen syrup. Okay, so I remove the 1 Nurofen syrup, press the button, and complete. So order has been packed correctly. Okay, that's a quick version. That should do it.